I'm here with the Nothing Watch Pro, and I've never seen a box like this. Now, unboxing it was pretty cool, so you need to open up the side a bit and then it folds out just like a book. So that was pretty nice. And then you can already see the watch face looking at you right there on the right. But you also have the charging cable right in there, and then a little booklet with those 8-bit letterings that Nothing has, so it's very, very typical. So this is, well, a very cool setup here. Then just unpack that watch, which is all the way around, and then attach the watch band to the watch face so you can wear that. Okay, so because I already have a Nothing phone, I can immediately connect that. So it immediately saw that I turned a device like this on. I didn't even have to install anything or pair anything. So this is the CMF watch. Let's open that. Okay, so let's connect this, allow notifications, unit settings, centimeters and kilometers, kilograms and Celsius, because I live in the Netherlands and we use those metrics here. My birthday, I am a male in this case. My height, I'm 181 and I am 75 kilograms. Okay, so it is disconnected right now. Let's connect that. Allow, confirm. So here it is. It's found it. Adding, get a bind request on the watch itself. So that's pairing here and paired. Okay, let's go. Let's put this watch on. The band is quite light. I really like this clasp here. That's quite sturdy. I think this goes underneath here. So that's a pretty weird system. So you get this on top and then this goes underneath here. Most of the time you get like a little band right here to connect that. So in this case, that is not the case. Syncing GPS data. Okay, so it's doing a lot of things now. Okay, so I can do some exercise, all sports. Okay, so there's a lot of sports here that you can select from. Here's the watch face. That's pretty cool. Mountain hike, cross trainer, strength training. So that's what I do a lot. Oh yeah, so it will recognize all of those things. So that's pretty cool. Today, 0 calories, exercise time, and standing. So it should be able to measure all that. So that's cool. What do I have here? So blood oxygen, stress, heart rate, and exercise. So those are the features. A very basic app there. And then here's the watch face. Let's see. Oh, I can change it to some other thing. I like this one with the letters. Is this a watch face? This is almost unreadable, but it says 11:40, which is the time right now. Tuesday 17th, 11:40 a.m. I like that one. It's a little different. And this is also nice. You get the degrees here, 11:40. I don't know what that is, but it looks funny. And then of course this basic watch face. So you have a few different things to choose from, which is cool. You can go into notifications here. No notifications right now. Activity, measuring. Right now it's measuring. I'm resting, it says. Then here's it's cloudy today in wellness where I live. And it's 9 degrees right now. That's Celsius, so it's pretty cold. It's winter here. Then my contact, a key little keypad. That will be quite hard to use, but still fun. Okay, so those are some pretty cool things here. Okay, so I really like it. I like the band. It's very soft and it's just a little bit of a different design here, but you don't have any flap here hanging out, so that's also pretty cool. And it's still very, very comfortable. It isn't too large. I have a very small wrist and this fits it perfectly, I think. So it's quite a small watch, but I really recommend. It's very basic and some cool stuff here.